Hello Denver, let's take a look at my new listing at 855 Waterloo Circle out here in Sky Ranch in northeast Aurora. First off, I want to show you this beautiful park across the street from the house. Nice large park, plenty of room for the dogs, the kids, everything. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot ranch style home, listed at $569,900. And please excuse the wind today. I'm sorry I don't have my good mic on me. Let's take a look inside. Inside here we've got really nice floors. These are hickory, I believe. Two additional bedrooms and a full bath here on this wing. Down here on your left, we've got a huge office area or additional living area. Main floor laundry. And a nice great room with big windows, a slider, and a really nice kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, lots of storage, nice pantry there. And over here is the primary bedroom. Nice size. There are ceiling fans everywhere too. A nice primary bath here. And a really good closet. Considering the size of the home. Most homes this size do not have closets this big. Let's take a look outside. Out back here we have a Trex deck. Beautifully landscaped yard with bushes, flowers, trees. A nice pathway around the side of the home. And there is a retractable cover there that rolls out. Again, this home is 1,800 square feet here on the main floor, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office. And it has a full unfinished basement under it. So let's go take a look at that. Down here in the basement, again, full basement, so 1,800 square feet down here. Plenty of room to do another bath, another bedroom or two if you want. Huge living area, storage, whatever you want. My seller used this as a workshop down here. So these benches could easily be pulled out if you didn't want those. But anyway, a great home. Let's run back upstairs. If you are interested in this beautiful home, please reach out to me. Click the QR code there above me or give me a call. Jay Hillman, Metro Brokers, 303-809-2775. Again, we're priced at $569,900 at 855 Waterloo Circle in Aurora. Thanks and have a great day.